Unveiling the Feathered Wonders, 5 interesting facts about birds. Ever noticed a bird soaring in the sky? That's freedom personified, and a tribute birds have perfected over centuries. Birds are nature's musicians. From melodious tweets to rhythmic pecking, their sounds form a beautiful symphony, uplifting spirits. Diverse in nature, birds boast phenomenal feats. Did you know? The peregrine falcon is the fastest, reaching speeds up to 240 miles per hour. Birds are masters of navigation too. Using Earth's magnetic fields, they embark on epic, cross-continental journeys. Amazing, isn't it? Remarkably intelligent, some birds like crows can recognize themselves in mirrors, highlighting their perceptual awareness. In conclusion, birds are much more than pretty creatures. They're fascinating beings, full of surprises and mysteries waiting to be discovered.